Hello and welcome to Brooks Guitar Lessons. I am Bill Brooks. Today we're going to look at Let It Be, so don't go away. Okay, so this song was written originally on the piano, so you're going to have a lot of downward, in order to make the chung, 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 chung. There's no strummy sound on the guitar, on the piano, right? So in order to make the downward chords, we're going to do a downward strum. And this song can be played with most of your open chords that you've already learned. So it's a C, and then a G, and then an A minor, and F. And then we're going to learn two new chords. We're going to learn an A minor 7, and we're going to learn an A minor 11. Do not be scared. Actually, these are easier to finger than the chords that you already know. So if you already know the A minor, or if you already know the C chord, you already know you are halfway to putting down the fingers for the A minor 7 chord. It's one less finger than the C chord. It's one less finger than the A minor chord, and they're in about the same position. So we're going to put down the first finger on the first fret of the second string. We're going to put down your second finger on the second fret of the fourth string, and then we're going to strum the bottom 5 strings. And that's it. So it's close to being a C chord, but you just not putting down the third finger. And then the next chord is even more simple. So this time you're playing the C chord except for the third finger, and except for the second finger. And that is an A minor 11 chord. Okay, so it goes like this. It goes C, G, G, A minor, and now the new chord is the A minor 11. That's one finger on the C note on the B string, first fret. So that was actually 3 chords. It seems like it's only 2 chords, but it's actually 3 because of that A minor 11 there. So A minor 11, F, just like that. And then go back to so what that was, C, G, G, F, A minor 7, A minor 11, C. So it looks like this in real time. So again, the whole verse looks like this. And then it repeats that for a second time. That's actually half a verse is what I just played you. That F ending is a lot of fast chords, right? So just keep doing it slower and slower. Just start doing it slowly, that is. And then you want to get your fingering. So you want to move your second finger from the F chord and move it into position for the A minor 7. So F, then pick up your middle finger and then put down your fingers for the C major chord. So keep on repeating it a little bit faster each time. It's not a natural feeling. It will trick you up. It will. You'll trust me. You'll do this many times before you get it. I'm making it look easy only because I've been practicing it myself. And then you'll get faster and faster until you get it right. Okay, so now let's take a look at the chorus. The chorus is just about the same as the verse, except you're going to use the A minor as your first chord. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. So it's an A minor, and then a G, and then it's F, and then C. C, and then you go back to the same thing you did at the verse. There will be an answer. So that starts with a C. There will be an answer. Let it be. All right, now let's go to the bridge. You're going to be doing the F thing, the F ending. So that was a B flat major, and it slides down to an A major with your pinky, and then go to G, so once again, full speed. Yeah, that is so beautiful. Whoever wrote that is a genius. He should be knighted or something. Okay, thank you for watching my video. In order to get more tutorials, please subscribe to the channel. Please like and share the channel with other people who you know who want to get more guitar lessons. And until next time, guitar class is dismissed.